Chapter 5, DNA in Plants and Animals. Josh likes that he got his genes from his parents. He likes looking and acting like his parents and sister. He also likes being different from them in certain ways. He likes being an individual. So how does Josh feel about being like his family? He likes it, but he also likes being himself too. It is getting late. Josh needs to feed his dog. Josh looks at his dog, Sage. She is a small dog with brown fur. She has brown eyes. Josh and Sage like to play fetch with a ball. Sage can run fast after the ball. So, what traits does Josh's dog have? She's a small dog. She has brown fur. She has brown eyes. She likes to play fetch and she can run very fast. Those are some traits that Josh's dog has. Sage just had 3 puppies. Josh wonders if dogs are like people. Does Sage have DNA? Did the puppies inherit genes from Sage? Do they look like her? Do they act like her? Josh asked his dad, "Do dogs have DNA like people?" Yes, animals and plants have DNA. They have genes that tell what the dog will look like. Josh thinks that that's cool. He wants to learn more. So, what tells what a dog will look like? It comes from their genes, just like with people. The genes will say if they'll have brown fur, or white fur, or black fur, or spots. Josh watches Sage and her puppies. He sees one puppy is all brown, just like Sage. The other puppies are brown and white. 2 of the puppies are running fast. The other dog is laying next to Sage. All of the puppies have brown eyes. So how are the puppies like Sage? So all of them have brown eyes. 2 of them can run very fast. And the other 2, well, 2 of them also have some white fur. So they're pretty similar, but they also have some differences too. Sage and her puppies are alike because they share many of the same genes, but they do not share all of the same genes. So some of them look the same, but the other ones also look different because their genes are not exactly alike. Josh looks around the garden. He sees many different types of plants. He sees pea plants that are short with round leaves. He sees corn plants that have tall stems with long leaves. The plants look different because of their DNA. If all the plants in the garden had the same DNA, they would all be the same plant. So why do plants look different? Because they have different DNA. Just like the lima beans have different DNA, say from corn seeds. The lima beans that you got in your packet are going to grow into a lima bean plant. And if you planted corn seeds, they would grow into a corn plant because they have different DNA. Josh asked his dad, "Where do plants get their DNA?" A plant drops a seed, and then the seed is planted. That seed contains DNA, says Dad. The plants would look like each other because they share the same genes, just like animals and people. So plants get their DNA from their seeds, which are dropped from mature plants. Hope you enjoyed that.